Hi, hello, it's Marie-Manon. I'm so glad you're here. This is a short, spontaneous abstract painting warm up designed to get you into the mood to paint. These exercises are quick, playful, and perfect for loosening up before working on a large canvas. I'm starting with some loose intuitive layering. Just put down colors that feel good in the moment. Don't worry about the outcome. The goal is to move, explore, have fun with the paint. I am using this rubber squeegee to make some mark and to give it some texture. Now I'm applying beautiful orange and red. I love my rolling. It's so good to make some marks and be free with your marks and just to let go and have fun. I really don't like this acrylic paint. It seems stuck, so eventually you'll see that I'm using another one. Scribbles and with this black acrylic paint. It's very fun to do. If you haven't tried it, just give it a go. It's really fun. Rolling again. Look at those marks. I love it. To paint, and I love to use my finger. It's so different from brushes. The marks are so different, so I like it. Now it's time to put a bit of pink to start creating focus point. This is a small piece of cloth that I decided to glue on the painting. I use matte acrylic to glue it on the painting. This black acrylic paint is working well. I love this one, this brand. Can't read it. I think it's Panda or something like that. It goes very well. Now I'm splashing some diluted pink color on the painting to make it fun and lively. Notice how things starts to come together on their own. This is the beauty of an intuitive painting. You don't have to control everything. Just respond to what's happening. Be in the moment and love to enjoy and love working with the colors and the paint. You can always stop when it feels complete, or you just keep going if you are inspired. That's what I'm doing. I was just having fun. I usually spend about 20 minutes on these, but there's no time limit. Just trust your instinct. I'm adding titanium white to add breathing places on the painting. It started to be too busy. So, and a bit of marks with my charcoal crayon. When you when your painting is done, use a spray varnish when you use a charcoal crayon. Otherwise, it's gonna all smudge on your painting. It won't be nice. So use a spray varnish. I could continue for hours just adding some tiny details, tiny spots of colors. I love this light pink. So, but at one point it's just a warm up. So you need to say, okay, I think I'm done. I think I like it. So I'm pretty much done at this point. I still have a few changes that I want to do, but it's almost finished. I'm playing with my favorite acrylic crayon. Love those marks. I hold my pen so delicately. I almost not holding the pen because I want the marks to be very, very loose. Nothing has to be perfect. It has to be just a movement that you see, not straight lines. Or they're just fun to make. And now some more blue. My little scraper. It has beautiful marks when I do that. I like it. Now a bit of splash white paint, splashing white paint. See how I turn my brush loosely and I don't want to make perfection. It's not a picture. It is an abstract, very loose painting. And now other type of process to make marks. Signing my painting and a few touches here and there. I do that all the time. I sign my painting and then I continue and continue until, because I always see things. I always want to do something else. See, now I'm gonna do a bit of spray paint to make other marks on the painting. You can always overwork a painting. So be mindful of, be able to stop at one point and not overwork your painting. It's very easy to overwork a painting. And I'm very good at that, to overwork a painting. It's not only you. I think we are all in the same boat. Adding some crayons. When the viewer will look at your painting, he always discover new things hidden or new marks that you created along the way. And the more you add, the more it is interesting and not boring, unless this is not what you want to do, of course. This is what I love to do. It's my way of doing it. So if you like it, please leave me a comment. And if it's not for you, I hope you still enjoy the video. Thank you. I really hope this warm-up helped you reconnect with your creativity. Use it as a springboard to jump into a large piece, or just enjoy the process as it is. Thanks for painting with me today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.